For Premier Dazzles 2018 in April, here is the collection. As always, you're going to get 4 new sheets of Dazzles. Now this, I know you kind of can't see it real well, but this has 320 super tiny Dazzles. They're designed for nails. That's right, something new. One of our customers suggested it. She said she's been using it on her nails for a long time, and so we developed this whole sheet to help her, and we're providing it to our members, of course, first. Did I mention 320 Dazzles on here? In this holographic gold, we'll show you how to use it on a card also. We have 2 never-before-seen Dazzles. This is the silver foil. These are the engraved Dazzles. Oh, so beautiful. And you're getting that. The other never-before-seen is honeybees. It looks like we're into gold glitter and silver glitter, doesn't it? That's what you're going to get. And then brand new before anybody else, this Spice Market Dazzles. As you can see, it has silver foiling and oh so beautiful on this 8x9 sheet. So these are the 4 that you get. You also always get 6 sheets of 12x12 paper. They are 80-pound weight. They're single-sided, and they're designed to go and selected to go with the Dazzles. So that's what we have. And in addition, every month you get a newsletter, and the newsletter is going to give you step-by-step instructions for making the projects, the ones I'm about to show you, as well as giving you a members-only offer and a discount on that. So that's going to be included. We also give you something special, something that's a little extra treat, but this time we have 2 things. One of them is these foiled engraved Dazzles, embossed Dazzles, foiled embossed tags. There we go. They're silver, as you can see, and you just trim them out. The other thing that we're giving is a half sheet of this glitter paper, and it doesn't rub off, so that's nice. I'll show you what the design team has done with that. Speaking of the design team, let's show their projects. This is using those tags and the nail art. Now we do give you a close-up of how you might use them on your nails. By the way, you do need to put a top coat, and 2 coats will be perfect for holding them onto your nails. But you can also use them on cards. And you see that strip of red right there? Well, that's one of the strips of this sheet. And just because it's so gold and glittery and pretty, so you can see the whole combination of those tiny Dazzles on the tags that we're putting here for you. So that's the first project. Now going into the Spice Market, we've done some with the burst, the color burst, and just it looks so pretty and it's so fast to do. Again, a strip of that glitter paper, and then to show you the inside that's all ready for you also. Now, that's a fast and easy way to do it. If you'd love to back the Dazzles with some of the papers, here's how that might look. And they're just so stunning with that silver foil. And let your free spirit soar is what's right there. And then pieces on the inside. How pretty is all of that? Gorgeous. Yep, that's that red glitter again. Now, our engraved Dazzles, this has some color on it that was done with the Spectrum Noir pens, and these are not outline stickers. They are all solid, but they're on a transparent material, and they're just gorgeous and oh so beautiful. They're beautiful when placed on a dark color, but you can also add color, as Lene has done here. And finally, those honeybees, well, here's how we've put them on a card, and you can see how nice the paper that's included is going to go with that. And on the inside, oh, so fun. So that's what we have for Premier Dazzles. Every single month, members receive all the things that you've seen. 4 Dazzles, some extra goodies, 6 papers, the ideas that the design team has done, plus some special offers. And we'd love to have you join us to get things before anyone else. Now we have Premier Dazzles, but we also have cutting dies, stamps, card making, scrapbooking, mixed media made easy, all sorts of things. We invite you to join the Premier family. Go to paperwishes.com, go over to the right-hand side, click on Premier Monthly Kits, and see what we have just for you.